Welcome to our channel's next review. Today we're going to examine the ASUS ProArt P16 H7606, a laptop made especially for people who create content. This device aims to make creative work not only effective, but also truly delightful by fusing strong hardware with an eye-catching OLED display. Let's investigate its features, evaluate its functionality, and determine whether it lives up to the hype. The ProArt P16's understated yet elegant style is what initially draws your attention to it. Even after prolonged usage, its matte black anodized body resists water stains and fingerprints, giving it a utilitarian yet high-end appearance. Its creative approach is reflected in subtle design elements, such as the strips around the lid that imitate camera curves. The laptop has ports that are suited for a variety of tasks. It has two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, USB 4.0 Gen 3 Type-C for blazingly quick data transfer, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 Type-C for charging and image output, a 3.5mm audio jack, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a fast SD Express 7.0 card reader with a maximum speed of 985 megabytes per second are also included. The 6 speakers in the Harman Kardon sound system provide similarly remarkable audio performance. The crystal clear sound enhances the experience, whether you're working or relaxing. The laptop is ideal for producers working in difficult settings because of its endurance, which guarantees that it can withstand harsh environments. The keyboard's island-style design and illumination make it comfortable to use in dimly lit environments. Typing is accurate and enjoyable because of its 1.7mm key travel. The touchpad has dial pad capability, which improves the creative workflow and is very helpful for editing photos and videos. The ProArt P16's stunning 16-inch 4K OLED display is its real focal point. Its 3840 by 2400 resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, brilliant colors, flawless contrast. Professional precision is ensured by the display's Pantone validation and 100% DCI-P 3-color gamut support. Various creative needs are met by multiple color modes, such as Display P3 and sRGB. Its glossy surface and lower blue light filter further improve eye comfort after extended use. AMD's potent Ryzen 9 HX370 processor is housed inside the ProArt P16. Advanced AI tasks are made possible by the embedded AMD XDNA NPU, and the laptop has up to 64 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM. Modern connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7 for dependable, quick connections, even in difficult situations. Creative workflows are made simpler by software such as ASUS Creator Hub and My ASUS, which provide features like StoryCap for fast media changes and GlideX for workspace management. A 90 watt-hour capacity supports battery life, which is adequate for the majority of creative jobs. Although intensive editing can quickly deplete it, swift charging is ensured by the 200-watt adapter that comes with the device. For added versatility, the gadget accepts Type-C power supply from third parties. Following testing, the ProArt P16 showed its ability to effortlessly handle taxing activities including 3D rendering and 4K video editing. Gaming performance was also impressive, with games like Stalker 2 operating without a hitch. For both pros and enthusiasts, this laptop is an exceptional option. It is the perfect tool for creators because of its performance, design, and display quality. The ASUS ProArt P16 H7606 is well worth the investment if you're looking for a dependable, potent laptop that can handle demanding creative requirements. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new laptop? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.